I've had this Intex Easy Set pool for 2 summers now, and it's been a great pool for the money, but if you have one, then you know it's a hassle to clean the filter. I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your pool using the pump and the hoses that you already have to reduce that time down to just a few seconds. But first, you have to plug your inlets and your outlet one last time. For this project, you'll need an Intex plunger valve, a dual split hose plunger valve, one type B hose adapter, which comes in a 2-pack, and 2 type A adapters, which also come in a 2-pack. All of these items are linked down in the description box for you guys. Before installing these plunger valves, let's assemble them to make sure everything fits together well. The first plunger needs 1 type A and 1 type B adapter. Take the type B adapter and place the 1.5-inch threaded side up against the opening on the side of the plunger, making sure you have them properly aligned, then screwing the two together, making sure you've got a good tight connection. Next, take your type A adapter and push the bottom of the plunger into the large end of the adapter. The plunger should fit very snugly into that adapter. Once the adapter is pushed all the way onto the plunger, you'll tighten the ring over the thread, securing the two pieces together. Set that one aside and grab your dual split hose plunger. This one needs 1 type A adapter and is assembled the same way. Take your type A adapter and push the bottom of the split hose plunger into the large end of the adapter. Again, it should be a really snug fit. Then take the ring and tighten it over the thread, securing the two pieces together. Now that I have both of the plunger valves assembled, I'm going to start working on installing the first one. Unscrew and remove the clamp. Then hold on to the inlet air adapter and gently wiggle the hose off of the adapter. We're leaving the adapter in the pool, so you don't want to accidentally yank on it too hard and risk pulling it off of the connector that's inside of the pool. Take the plunger valve and remove the clamp that's on the type B adapter. Hold on to the inlet air adapter and gently push the plunger valve with the type B adapter over the end of that inlet air adapter. Then take the clamp and place it back over the adapter, tightening it down to secure the plunger to the inlet. Next, pick the hose back up and attach it to the type A adapter on the bottom of the plunger valve. Then take the clamp and tighten it over the hose, securing it to the plunger valve adapter. Make sure that the top piece with the knob on it is also tightly secured so that it doesn't come loose as you turn the knob to open and close the plunger. To install the dual split plunger valve, start off by removing the original T-joint hose connector. Loosen and remove the clamps, then wiggle the hoses off of the T-joint. Attach the 2 hoses from the pool to the sides of the plunger valve and the hose from the pump to the bottom of the plunger valve where the type A adapter is connected. Put the clamps back on over the hoses and tighten them down. Then, just like with the other plunger, make sure the top piece with the knob is screwed on tightly so you can turn the knob easily without it coming unscrewed. I turned both of the plunger valves to the locked or the closed position. Then I unplugged the water outlet jet and the 2 water inlets before reinstalling the skimmer basket to one inlet and putting the reducing plug back on the other inlet. If you don't have those, just reattach your inlet strainers. I made sure the plunger valves weren't leaking or letting water through the tubes while in the locked position. Then I turned them both to the unlocked position, checked again to make sure they still weren't leaking and that they were allowing water to flow freely through the tubes. I primed the pump, turned it on, and everything worked perfectly. This has cut my pool cleaning routine time down significantly. All I have to do now is turn off the pump, close the plunger valves, swap out my dirty filter for a clean one, open the plunger valves, prime the pump, turn it back on, and I'm good to go. I no longer have to disconnect everything just to clean my filter, which is an important part of keeping my pool clean, and it's something I do every day, so this has really helped to save me a ton of time. If this was helpful, I'd love it if you'd hit that like button, and if you're planning on making these upgrades to your pool, I've got all of the supplies linked down in the description box for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, you can check out one of these videos linked right here.